Hello, we're back. Yay, I couldn't sleep last night because I was so excited to see how these turned out. I haven't looked underneath. So, as you know in the video, I changed my plan towards the end and I just flooded it unexpectedly. And so I just wanted to see if whether or not the design that I had started in the beginning would be the same even after I flooded it. And I've added some flowers, some flower petals, which are all right. They've kind of moved a little bit. You'll see the white from underneath has come over the top. My glitter moved away from the edges. And after my little video malfunction, I had added some of these little druzy inserts. I don't know, just to see how they turn out. Okay, so let's get started to the fun part. We're gonna demold these. So excited, guys. So I mean, if the bottom part worked out the way that I think it should work out, then whoever has these could use both sides. One could be a flower side, and then the other side will just be more of a geode side. We'll find out. Let's get the center popped out. All right. Actually, let's take out these little druzy inserts. It really didn't get the sparkliness that I wanted with these. I'm wondering if it's probably because of the mica. I don't really like that shape. What do you think? Let's put that down. Okay. Actually, that's not true. You can kind of see that there. Oh, my light. Sorry. My light is causing a glare. Okay, ready? Let's do this. There you go. Well, it's not bad. I wish that the white didn't go over the glitter here. Other than that, I mean, it's decent. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I guess I could just go over this and just add a little bit more glitter to cover that up. And with a top layer, I actually like the softness of each layer. So it did actually do what I wanted it to do. So that's good to know. I really love that Amethyst acrylic paint that I used. It's very pretty. So I'm pretty happy with these. Just needs a little bit of tweaking here. I just wish, like I said, that's white just went over the glitter there. Okay, let's check to see what this one looks like. My light, you can see my light, but I don't know if you can see it. I actually like that little the little druzy inserts with the little crystal effect that it's given. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, here we go. Oh, I really like these. Look how pretty that is. It's so soft. And again, the white traveled a little bit over the glitter, but it's not as much prominent, or sorry, it's not as prominent as this side, this piece, but I actually really do love these. I'm happy with them. Hey, tell me what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye now.